Yun naman pagdating sa AFP na sinasabi natin na meron hindi ko alam kung confirm to na meron siyang 400 na AFP. Kung ating pagbabasihan yung analytical data and mathematical computation ng pagbibigay ng security sa ating BP Sara, kasi meron tayong 150,000 na AFP. Kung titingnan nyo yung records, statistics. And we are archipelagic nation, di ba? At kung tayo archipelagic nation, we compose of, I think, 7,641 islands. At 2,000 doon ang inhabited ng tao. At kung 2,000 inhabited ng tao, di ba? At meron tayong 150,000 na mga sundalo. Kung scattered mo yan doon sa 2,000 islands, meron tayong 75 soldiers na naka-assign lamang sa bawat isla. At kung having said that, kung meron si BP Sara na 400 na sundalo na naka-assign sa kanya, at meron tayong 75 soldiers sa bawat isla, I think that is excessive and that is somehow irrational. Being a public official, we must be prudent, di ba? To see the meager budget of our government. Di ba? We have to maximize. And the work of the AFP is the external threats. Di ba? And I hope na siguro yung 400 na bigay sa kanya, I think she have to be thankful to the government for giving that numbers of AFP.